Hi guys, welcome back on Tech 8. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems. Whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide, we have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change currency on Amazon app. First of all, you can open the Amazon application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen that is next to the home button. Tap on it. And after this you can see the option language or region that is next to the name at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and here after a few seconds of loading you can see the three different categories, that is country, language or currency. You can just simply tap on the currency option, and here you can just simply select the currency that you want to choose, and this is the way you can change currency on Amazon app. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, try using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.